I'm proud to say that every day since our founding in 1894, chocolate has rolled off manufacturing lines right here in our namesake town. Walmart's commitment of investing $250 billion to buy products made in the U.S. by 2023 enables companies like ours to accelerate our growth. In the last year, we have invested $150 million into our U.S. supply chain, resulting in over 350 new jobs across our plants and our suppliers.
The company is a great example of many of our suppliers who continue to add jobs across the country. They're doing it in partnership with us. It's really a growth plan, year over year, factory over factory, item by item.
When you have two industry leaders, your industry leader and your retail leader coming together, what that creates is absolutely awesome.
Creating jobs in America, what could be better than that and more important than that for all of us? Because it drives our communities. It's important to our customers. So adding jobs is great for the economy, it's great for Walmart, it's great for all of our communities.
American workers want to work. When opportunities provided to them, like Hershey provides and Walmart provides and Sam's Club provides, that's what it's all about. That is what it's all about.